Did you know that 78% of American workers live paycheck to paycheck? It's a staggering figure, isn't it? In the world of finance, it's not always about making more, but sometimes about needing less. Today, we dive into the concept of less is more, and how it can pave your way to financial independence. From reducing debt to smarter money management, we'll unravel the wealth secrets that have transformed lives. Stay tuned to discover the wealth secrets that can turn your financial life around. Financial security isn't about having a six-figure income. It's about understanding that wealth is more than a number in a bank account. It's about realizing that living with less can lead to more financial security, not necessarily more income. Consider this. You've got fewer possessions, less to worry about, fewer bills to pay. You're not constantly chasing the next big thing because you understand that happiness doesn't come from material possessions. You're free from the pressure to earn more, to buy more, to be more. You have the freedom to make choices that align with your values, not your wallet. In essence, financial security is about living within your means, saving for the future, and finding contentment in what you already have. It's about creating a life that's rich in experiences, not things. It's about understanding that less truly can be more. Financial security comes from the inside out, not the other way around. Less possessions, less debt. It's that simple. Let's talk about how reducing possessions and unnecessary expenses can lead to less debt. It's a simple equation, really. Less stuff equals less money spent, and less money spent leads to less debt. It's a liberating concept. Imagine yourself free from the shackles of credit card bills and mortgage payments. This is not a far-fetched dream, but a reachable reality. It starts with cutting down the excess. Do we really need the latest smartphone when the one we have works perfectly fine? Do we need a brand new car when a slightly used one will serve the same purpose? By reducing our possessions and expenses, we're not just decluttering our homes, we're decluttering our financial lives too. We're freeing up resources that can be used to pay off existing debts and avoiding new ones. So remember, the less you spend on things you don't need, the less you owe. And the less you owe, the more you own. Clutter isn't just physical. It's financial too. Imagine your finances as a room filled with stacks of paper. These could be bills, receipts, credit card statements, or even random expenses. The clutter can be overwhelming, making it hard to find what you need or even know what you have. But when you begin to clear the clutter, you find clarity. Streamlining your finances involves cutting out unnecessary expenditures and focusing on the essentials. It's about prioritizing your financial goals and sticking to a budget. This doesn't mean denying yourself of pleasures, but rather making more informed and controlled decisions about your spending. Having less clutter allows you to see the bigger picture of your financial situation. It aids in establishing better spending habits and promotes financial discipline. You'll be surprised at how much money you can save and how much closer you get to your financial goals when you declutter. A clear space equals a clear mind and a clear wallet. Personal growth and financial growth go hand in hand. When we talk about personal growth, we're not just referring to self-improvement in the traditional sense. It's about the development of skills and knowledge, discovering new perspectives, and cultivating a mindset of lifelong learning. Now you might be wondering, how does this tie into financial success? Well, as you learn and grow, you become more valuable in the marketplace. You're able to command a higher wage, secure better positions, and make smarter investments. You'll find yourself with more opportunities to generate income. But it's not just about making more money. Personal growth fosters a better understanding of your values and goals. You'll gain clarity on what you truly want, and this can guide your financial decisions. You'll stop wasting money on things that don't align with your values and start investing in what truly matters. Remember, your greatest asset is you. Invest in yourself and your financial future will follow. Financial stress is a burden no one should carry. It's like a heavy backpack filled with rocks that you're forced to lug around day after day. The weight of it can be overwhelming, causing unnecessary strain and discomfort. But imagine if you could replace those rocks with feathers. Wouldn't that be liberating? When you achieve financial freedom, it's as if you've done just that. You've lightened the load. The stress of living paycheck to paycheck, the worry of unexpected expenses, the fear of not having enough for retirement. All these anxieties begin to fade away. Instead, you find yourself with the headspace to focus on things that truly matter. You start to enjoy the simple pleasures of life, unhampered by constant money worries. You're able to spend quality time with loved ones, pursue hobbies, and even explore new opportunities without the nagging fear of financial instability. By striving for and attaining financial freedom, you're not just improving your bank balance, you're enhancing your overall quality of life. Less financial stress equals more life enjoyment. I hope you are enjoying the video. Please like and subscribe for more financial freedom strategies. Every possession is a responsibility. This simple yet profound statement holds the key to financial freedom. When we acquire more possessions, we're not just buying things. We're buying the time, effort, and resources they require to maintain. Consider a car. It's not just the initial cost, it's the insurance, the fuel, the repairs, the parking fees. These are the hidden costs that eat away at our financial freedom. Now imagine less. Less possessions mean less maintenance costs. This isn't about denying ourselves the things we want or need. It's about understanding the true cost of ownership and making smarter decisions. It's about choosing quality over quantity, longevity over fast fashion. It's about investing in things that add value to our lives rather than drain our resources. When we reduce our possessions, we reduce the time, effort, and money we spend on upkeep. We free ourselves from the chains of consumerism, and we find financial freedom. When the economy takes a hit, so do your finances. It's a universal truth, unpredictable and often merciless. But imagine a different scenario, one where you're not just surviving, but thriving. That's the power of financial freedom. In the face of economic downturns, those who have achieved financial freedom stand resilient. Why? Because they have less debt, their expenses are under control, and they have savings to fall back on. They're not living paycheck to paycheck, so a sudden economic shift doesn't throw them into panic. Think of it as a shield, a buffer against the harsh winds of economic instability. In periods of recession, this shield might be the only thing standing between you and financial disaster. But it's not just about survival. It's about having the freedom to make choices, to take risks, to live life on your own terms even when the economy is in a slump. Time is money and money is time. It's a simple equation, yet one that holds profound truths. Financial freedom isn't just about escaping the 9-to-5 grind or retiring early. It's about unlocking a level of productivity that can only be achieved when you're unburdened by financial stress. Imagine being able to focus entirely on your passions, your skills, your talents, and not having to worry about the next bill or the next paycheck. That's the power of financial freedom. It's a catalyst for increased productivity, allowing you to spend time on the things that truly matter, and in turn, generate more income. This isn't just a dream, it's a reality within your grasp. With financial freedom, you can take full advantage of your unique abilities, drive innovation, and contribute positively to society. It's a win-win situation, not just for you, but for everyone around you. Your health is your wealth, a statement as true as it is powerful. When we speak of financial freedom, we often overlook the profound impact it has on our health. Money woes can lead to stress, which in turn can lead to a plethora of health issues, from insomnia to heart disease. Imagine the tranquility that comes with knowing your bills are paid, there's food on the table, and there's still a little left to save or invest. This peace of mind can improve your mental health by alleviating anxiety and depression. Moreover, financial freedom can lead to better physical health. With more control over your time, you can prioritize exercise, prepare healthier meals, and even afford better healthcare. In the grand scheme of things, achieving financial freedom isn't just about amassing wealth. It's about investing in your most valuable asset, your health. Financial independence isn't a dream, it's a decision. It's about taking control of your financial life, understanding that every financial choice you make directly impacts your future. It means having enough savings, investments, and cash on hand to afford the lifestyle you want for yourself and your family. It's not about being wealthy or having a high income. It's about spending less than you earn, saving more, and making smart investments. It's about understanding the difference between wants and needs, and making conscious decisions to save for the future. Financial independence gives you the freedom to make choices in other aspects of your life without worrying about financial constraints. It can mean the ability to retire early, the freedom to pursue a passion, or the security of knowing you're prepared for life's unexpected turns. The road to financial independence isn't always easy, but the rewards are worth it. Remember, financial independence is freedom, and freedom is priceless. Managing your money is managing your life. It's a simple truth, yet so powerful. Financial freedom is not about amassing wealth beyond measure, but about intelligent and strategic money management. The key is not in earning more, but in managing better what you already have. Imagine your finances as a flowing river. The water's force is not determined by the amount of rainfall, but by the river's course and its control mechanisms. Likewise, your financial strength lies in the channels you create to guide your income, savings, and investments. Budgeting, for instance, is a fundamental tool for smarter money management. It's your financial blueprint, helping you allocate your resources wisely. And let's not forget about investing. So, are you ready for financial freedom? It's clear that less truly is more when it comes to achieving financial freedom. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you'll never miss our future videos. Remember, less is more when it comes to financial freedom.